Hi, this is Amadeo Briones, and today is April the 8th of 2018, and this will be my A attempt on the section for buttons. Compared to my last attempt, which was a B, we're going to add a second LED, and compared to my A attempt, we're changing the original pin from pin 13 to pin 9 for analog to allow for dimming. Since we can't use pin 13 since it's digital, it's just off or on, there is no in between. We are fading using two buttons, and we're also allowing for a change of delay time. We have two buttons that will be our variables that will never change. Input 1 will be on pin 2 and input pin would be on pin 3. These would be the two buttons. Our original pin is going to be on pin 9, and we added a second pin which will be on pin 10, which is also a digital output. The variables that would change is the button state, which is off or on, and the variable is the amount of brightness it will be. We're starting off at 0. We have two of the LED pins set as an output. All I had to do was just add this for the second LED. And I'll show you another code that I added as well. Both pins are set as an input. And if pin 1 is detected to be pressed, the value will go down until it reaches 0. And if pin 2 is detected to be pressed, the value will go up until it reaches 255. This just sets the limits for the variable value. The low limit will be 0 and the high limit will be 255. It can't go lower nor it could go higher. It can't go lower nor can it go higher. And this is another code that I added just for it to go at the same time. This command would send to the first LED pin the value, which is the amount of brightness of how it would be. And this just repeats it, but to pin 2. And changing this number would allow me to delay of how fast it would go. Faster would require a smaller number, and slower will require a larger number. I have wired two push buttons. One is to dim, one is to brighten up. This one will be connected to pin 2, and this one's connected to pin 3. Both are protected by a 10K resistor. These two are my two LEDs. They're protected by a 560 ohm resistor. This one is still connected to pin 9, and this one is on pin 10. Both of them are going to be analog. Having them plugged in, I could make them both brighter at the same time. Or also for them to dim down. I could change in how fast the delay is. It was originally at 10, but now I put it at 100, which would go slower on taking this effect. If I make the number slower to 5, it will quickly take the effect faster.